How to get a QR code on the Amazfit watch. A QR code is a type of barcode that can be scanned by a camera or a device to access information or perform actions. A QR code can be used for various purposes, such as pairing devices, sharing contacts, opening websites, or making payments. There are two main scenarios where you may need to get a QR code on the Amazfit watch: pairing the watch with your phone. To pair the watch with your phone, you need to scan the QR code displayed on the watch screen with the Amazfit app on your phone. This will allow you to sync your data, customize your settings, and access more features. To get the QR code for pairing, you need to follow these steps. 1. Long press the watch button for 6 seconds to start the watch. A QR code will be displayed on the screen after startup. 2. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. 3. Install and open the Amazfit app on your phone, create an account and log in. 4. Go to Profile at Device Amazfit, your watch model, and scan the QR code on your watch. 5. Pairing messages will be received on both the phone and the watch. 6. Tap to confirm the connection. 7. Once the watch is paired, choose your left or right hand to wear it. Scanning a QR code with the watch. Some Amazfit watches have a built-in QR code scanner that allows you to scan QR codes with the watch camera. This can be useful for accessing information or performing actions without using your phone. To scan a QR code with the watch, you need to follow these steps. 1. Turn on your Amazfit watch and go to the home screen. 2. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the control center. 3. Tap on the QR code icon to open the QR code scanner. 4. Hold your Amazfit watch steady and point it towards the QR code. 5. Once the QR code is in focus, the device will automatically scan it. Plan C. Launch the factory reset option. Path. Setting system. Learn more. 1. How to pair the watch. FAQ Amazfit. Support. https://support.amazfit.com/n/faq/